Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert an Excel file to PDF. So first, you need to open the Excel file that you wanted to be converted. So let's try this document right here. Let me just enter a sample word. So let's try to save this file and convert it to PDF. So for the next step, you need to click the File tab or File option, which is located on the top left corner of your Excel. Just click that one, and then you'll be able to see here an option for you to save as. So just click that one, and right after that, you'll see these options. Now for the next option, you need to click the Browse. Alright, now on this part, it will allow you to select a specific folder as to where will you save the file. Now let me try to save it here on my folder. And here I already selected a folder. And for the next step, you need to check or change the file name if you like. Let's try to change it to hello. There. For the next step, you need to change as well the save as type option. So just select the Dropbox or click the Dropbox, and here you'll see several options for the type. But since we are converting this file to PDF, now just click the PDF and then click Save right after. And there, that's how you convert an Excel file to PDF. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.